I'm investigator Christelle Bell with a follow-up to our reporting on Sun State pools. The Scottsdale business now facing a criminal investigation. I sat down with the head of the Arizona Register of Contractors to get answers for frustrated customers. The first question I would ask you is, what is the message you would like to say or send to the customers impacted by Sun State pools?
First of all, we hear you. We understand that might be some frustrations out there, and the ROC is here to answer your questions and to help.
Since April, the Let ABC 15 Know team has heard from 8 different people with complaints against the Scottsdale-based company. I sat down with Tom Cole, director of the Arizona Register of Contractors. I asked him why it took 85 complaints to his office before the ROC revoked Sun State Pools' license in June.
It's important to understand where the ROC sits as far as the service we provide to citizens of Arizona. We are not purely a consumer advocacy agency. We perform an important role in that we sit in the middle of that equation. So it's important for us to be advocates for consumers and to fully investigate complaints against licensed contractors and unlicensed entities in construction. But we're also here to make sure that our licensed contractors receive due process. In this instance, without getting into specifics, I can tell you they became on our radar early on in this calendar year. And if you look at the curve on when the complaints came in, the bulk of the complaints have come in long after we took action.
But Sun State customers like Edgar say he filed multiple complaints against the business last December, and they were all closed without any action taken against Sun State.
If someone, I don't care if it's the ROC, state's attorneys, Better Business Bureau, would have said, hey, let me look into this a little bit more, these people would not have given their money to Sun State, in May or April. And it would have saved them all this headaches, tens of thousands of dollars.
I asked Director Cole about concerns we've heard from customers and contractors that Sun State was doing just enough work to comply with ROC investigators. How many families could have been saved if the complaints were acknowledged, if people had really taken the time to look into what was going on with this company?
5% of our contractors get a complaint. Less than 1% of our licensed contractors get more than one complaint. The vast majority of licensed contractors in the state of Arizona are competent, and they are doing the job day in and day out that they're contracted to do. In the instance where a company starts to have problems, it's our job to size up the situation, to make sure that both parties are heard and that due process is followed, and that, again, the goal is to get to that customer satisfaction. There are times where companies get in over their head, and that tends to snowball.
I hear you, and with all due respect, I understand it can get overwhelming. We're talking about 1 or 2, but when it gets to 10 jobs, that's not overwhelming. That is clearly something else. Is that fair to say?
Crystal, I'm not going to be able to answer those questions because this is an active investigation. I will tell you that we have cooperated with the Attorney General's office and continue to do so. When you look at the timeline, 2020 hindsight, look at the timeline, it's pretty understandable how things snowball. And so that's really all I can say about that.
We have reached out to Sun State Pools by phone and email multiple times to try and get a response from the business, including before this report, but we have never heard back from anyone. Sun State is under a criminal investigation by the Attorney General's office, and the ROC is also conducting their own investigation.
And they did a little bit of work on the counter.
But with many customers feeling justice may come too late, I asked Director Cole if he can acknowledge that improvements need to be made to better protect consumers.
I don't want to downplay the complaint process or the fact that there are bad actors out there in the construction industry, because like any other industry, there are folks out there who aren't very good at what they do. But that doesn't equate to the vast majority of contractors in the state of Arizona. I think we can always get better, but I think we've also got a very experienced team at the ROC who know what they're doing.
Even though there is a great majority of contractors who are doing great, that doesn't do anything to the people, to the families who have suffered emotionally, mentally, physically, financially, these losses of hundreds of thousands of dollars. They feel like they were failed. They feel like they were not heard, and they want accountability. What do you say?
Well, we have empathy for anybody that feels like they were wronged by a licensed contractor. And we're working hard every day to enforce the law. If there's something in the law that needs to change, then again, we can be a subject matter expert in helping define the current law and offer recommendations for improvement on the law. But at the end of the day, lawmakers need to put bills forth that put teeth into the law where it may be lacking.
Now, you heard Director Cole mention changes at the legislature. We talked a lot about that and what needs to be done to prevent a situation like this from happening again. So coming up later this week, you'll hear what he feels like could change to protect consumers in Arizona. And this was a long conversation, but we wanted you to be able to hear the director's answers to all of my questions. So we put an extended version of this interview on abc15.com.